It's another Choose Life Tuesday here on our Namibian Food Forest homestead. The clouds are gone, there seems to be no rain, so we're taking a go with this. At 400 millimeters, 40 centimeters, we're reaching big rocks. There. So I do not want to take out the big rocks and disturb the natural compacted ground there. I think 400 is alright. I trust the wind will not blow it out of the ground. Perhaps we'll make a gravel base here of 150 later, just to add a bit more ground on top of those bases. I think what we'll do is get some gravel and just fill in it a little bit with gravel where the deep spots is, so it's 100% level, flat and level, and compact it. And let's see. In between the rubble and the rubbish here at Bannilon, we got a wildflower blooming. So that's roughly the idea. It will stand there and hold the tower up, hopefully. We're going to see. All 4 bases are dug. Me and Anton need to bring a bit of gravel. No extra hands today, so I guess it's going to be just me and him. Well, we have a quiet moment here. We had to build a scaffold, and now Anton is busy up there. Then we'll move here. It's not welded much because we need to grind it off. These irons must be removed afterwards. A bit more Bannilon for you. Literally dripping with sweat here. It's a hot afternoon. There's some clouds. Hopefully we're gonna get some shade with them. Gonna need it about now. I have to go get some gravel. I don't know if it's the ghost in the machine or if it's me. We weren't really looking forward to doing the work, but the car isn't wanting to start. So Anton will finish trimming the bases. I'm gonna have a quick chill, and then me and Anton have some other work we can do. My afternoon chill turned into a bit of a nap. Anton went home early also. Tomorrow we'll see what goes on, because with the car and massive fail of a day it feels like. On the Tuesday, Dan Chose Life. We got the newest supporter. Thank you very much for your coffees, Dan. Well, the car is dead. There's life. There's hope for life in the future. Thank you. Beshi, the dragon fruit we got growing up here is our biggest dragon fruit in the ground. And it's an experiment for us to see what and how long and so forth. But check this out. Quickly, quietly, Boo says I'm not allowed to film in there. It's a let us go green finer details area. But here we got a few dragon fruits cuttings. And we have a few small ones here and there in pots. And since you brought it to my attention, I made a few cuttings quickly. They're drying out so that tomorrow they can be planted. It seems we only have one variety of dragon fruit, so we would love to get other varieties. We saw a yellow golden one the other day, a video about it. Would love to get that. And we need the one that is red in the middle. So if you could help us out, if you're perhaps nearby and would like to make a deal, a trade or something, I'm open to discussion. Hit us up. I'll flash the email address and put it there in the description. Let us know if you can help us out with a different variety around here. Grootfontein, Tsumeb, Rundu.